Meghalaya Education Symposium 2023 had been organized on 13 July 2023 by the Department of Education, Government of Meghalaya, where the Chief Minister of the state, Conrad K Sangma, attended the event as chief guest in the presence of the Minister in charge of Education Department, Rakkam A Sangma, officials of the department, students, teachers, and others. The event is also commemorative of the 50th anniversary of the Meghalaya Board of Secondary Education (MBOS), whereby a series of interventions aimed at empowering students of the state were announced by the Education Department. On the same day, outstanding toppers of the SSLC and HSSLC board exams were also felicitated by the Meghalaya Chief Minister. While addressing the gathering, Conrad Sangma said that with continued engagement and student-centric policies, the government is committed to ensure the best for the student community of the state. He added that he is hopeful of the fact that Meghalaya Education Symposium 2023 will help the government to chart out interventions that will enable it to work with a process-driven approach and not just scheme-driven approach to address the challenges and problems for the growth of the state.
It's all right, we will sort that out later, but for now just collect and be on the stage. Soumitra Jha from St. Anthony's High Secondary School. Soumitra Jha from St. Anthony's High Secondary School. Subham Das, Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School. Subham Das, Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School. Then we have Stephanie Niza W. Snaitang.
I personally feel that the biggest change that is needed in our state or in any other country and any other state, which is similar to what Kong Ampreen had just mentioned, is the change in the mindset. The change in the mindset is the most important change that will move and take the society and the state forward. I always believe, and this has been one of my most important mantras, I should say, and it's a very commonly known one, which is that we don't need to do different things, but we need to do it differently. And I tell you, I follow this principle in almost everything I do. That we need to ensure that while we are doing our programs and development and changing our state, we can't go for scheme-based approach. What is a scheme-based approach? Scheme-based approach is, have you given so many taps? Have you constructed these many kilometers of road? Have you opened these many schools? That is a scheme-based approach because government is and departments are assessed on the basis of the scheme implementation. But our government started to look at things differently. It's not about the taps that you put, but it is the water that is reaching the house or not is the question. It is not about the irrigation and the canals that you make in the schemes, but the amount of production of agriculture products that has gone up because of the irrigation project that you put in. It is about the number of students who are able to pass out and improve in the quality of education rather than the number of schools that you've put. A change in the mindset and a change in the way we look at a problem. It cannot be scheme-based or scheme-driven.